Swap the caps from your rinse aid and cooking oil bottles. You'll never go back to the old way. Rinse the rinse aid cap under water to remove any residue, then place it on your oil bottle. This lets you pour oil with precision while cooking. No more spills or greasy stains on the bottle. Convenience, savings, and cleanliness, all in one simple move. Cover butter with an ordinary jar. This trick deserves a medal. Butter is a kitchen staple, essential for everyday cooking and diet. But despite its benefits, it can sometimes be tricky to work with. Rock-hard butter is a problem almost everyone has faced. That's why I'll show you a way to soften it quickly. Prepare a jar, fill it with hot water until it's more than halfway full. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then, pour out the hot water. Immediately cover the butter with the hot jar. After a moment, the butter will become perfectly spreadable. Thanks to this simple trick, you can have soft butter ready for sandwiches in just a few seconds. Never throw away the butter wrapper. These wrappers are invaluable and have a brilliant use in the kitchen. Butter is packaged in special foil-lined paper, and this material has a hidden purpose. Tossing it in the trash is a big mistake. Instead, when transferring butter to a butter dish, keep the wrapper. Fold it neatly so the buttery side is folded inward, then store it in the fridge. I keep several in my fridge, always on hand for baking. They're also great for greasing pans when cooking eggs or pancakes, adding a touch of flavor without extra hassle. When I need to prepare a baking pan, I just take one wrapper from the fridge and rub it on the inside of the pan. It's the quickest and easiest way to prepare a baking tray. You can spread a thin, even layer of butter, keeping your hands clean and achieving the perfect thin layer. Instead of throwing them away, you can make baking easier. Did you know this trick? This trick should be used in every household. Using a knife and parchment paper, you can conveniently store butter in small portions. Parchment paper pieces prevent the butter from sticking together, allowing you to freeze and thaw it easily. Simply cut parchment paper pieces and place them on the knife while cutting. Then wrap the pieces around and place them in a plastic container. This butter can be stored in the refrigerator or freezer. Spread some butter on the bottom of a glass and sprinkle it generously with salt. Run the knife along the rim, first on one side and then on the other. The salt works like a gentle sandpaper, while the butter holds it in place and reduces friction. This way, the blade becomes smoother and regains its sharpness. The knife is perfectly sharp again and ready to use.